Okay, today we'll start new chapter, definite integration. What is the definite integration? Let us understand here. X square x cube by plus c. Okay, we will write always one constant x cube by 3 plus c. This is a constant. We do not know what is this constant. That's why it is called indefinite. It is called indefinite integration. But if I write like this, 1 to 2 plus c, the limits are 1 to 2. So, what will happen? 2 cube by 3 plus c minus 1 cube by 3 plus c. So, upper limit minus lower limit, 8 by 3 plus c minus 1 by 3 minus c. C will get cancelled, 7 by 3. Means you get a value, always you get a some value. That is why it is called definite integration. Okay. So, here limits will be there, we have to put the limits, but there are some standard formulas will be there. These formulas are important, sir. Okay. There are 3-4 formulas will be there, that you have to remember. First formula is equal to, what is the first formula? 0 to a f of x dx is equivalent to 0 to a f of a minus x. So, 0 to a f of x is nothing but 0 to a f of a minus x. Second formula, if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x is equal to 0, if what is the second formula? F 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x. If f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x is equal to 0, if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. Then third one, minus a2 plus a dx is equal to 0 to a f of x dx if fx is a even function. What functions are even function? Means what? Even function means what, sir? F of minus x is equal to f of x is equal to 0 if f of x is a odd function. That is f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So, these two formulas, and last formula, a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. First and fourth is one and the same, sir. First and fourth is one and the same. Because 0 to a is there, here a to b is there. Here a minus x is there, here a plus b minus x is there. So, both 1 and 4 are very, very important. So, we will be applying these formulas wherever is required. These 4 formulas are very, very important. Okay, let us see some problems now. First problem. What is the problem? 2 plus x whole square dx from 0 to 2. First we expand this. 4 plus x square plus 4x dx 0 to 2. So, separate them. 4 into 1 dx plus integration of x square dx 0 to 2 plus 4 into x dx 0 to 2. So, what I have done? From 0 to separate them. So, what will happen? 4 into x 0 to 2 plus x cube by 3 0 to 2 plus 4 into x square by 2 0 to 2 means upper limit lower limit. So, what will happen? 4 into 2 minus 0 plus 8 by 3 minus 0 plus 4 into 4 by 2 minus 0 means upper limit minus lower. Upper limit is 2, 2 minus 0, 2 cube by 3, 0 is the lower limit, 2 square by 2. So, it becomes 4 into 2 plus 8 by 3 plus 4 into 4 by 2. So this will be 8 plus 8 by 3 plus 2 will get cancelled 2 times 8. 16 plus 8 by 3, that is 48. 56 by 3. There is no please C will not come, sir. So what I have done, I have expanded, I have substituted integration, then substituted values. Please note on this. Okay, 9. Next. A square x minus x cube dx. So first we'll write x dx 0 to a minus 0 to a. So a square up integration x square by 2 0 to a minus 0 to a. So this becomes a square into a square by 2 minus 0 upper limit minus lower limit minus a power 4 minus 0. Okay, so open the bracket, a power 4 by 2 minus a power 4 by 4. LCM is 4. 2a square minus a square is equal to a square by 4. So what I have done, I have put an integration and substitution of the values. Okay, now look at the most important from here onward. Integration of dx 2 to 3. Now from here please understand here 1 by root of 2x plus 1 right. So t is equal to 2x plus 1 dt is equal to 2 dx. T is equal to 2x plus 1 dt is equal to 2 dx. Now dx is equal to dt by 2. Okay, in indefinite integration we will directly start doing it, but there is a limits are there. So what you have to do, x is equal to 2, t is equal to 5, 2 into 2 plus 1 which is 5, x is equal to 3, t is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1 which is 7. Means you have to change the limits also. Once you put the t, then you have to change the limits, and the limits will become 2 is becoming what, sir? 5, and 3 is becoming what, sir? 7. 1 by root t dt. Here 1 by 2 will come outside. 1 by 2 will come outside. So this becomes 1 by 2, 2 root t. Limits are 5 to 7. So this will be 1 by 2 into 2 root 5, sorry, root 7 minus root 5. Upper limit minus lower limit. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Answer is root 7 minus root 5. Means we have changed the limits. Here t is equal to 2x plus 1. So we have changed the limits. Next. 1 to 5. 1 by root of 2x minus 1. Again t is equal to 2x minus 1, dt is equal to 2 dx, dt by 2 is equal to dx. Okay, again x is equal to 1, t is equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 which is 1, x is equal to 5, t is equal to 2 into 5 minus 1, 9. So put the limits. Lower limit x is 1 is becoming 1, upper limit is becoming 9, 1 by root t dt, here 1 by 2 will come. So that is 1 by 2, 2 root t, upper limit, lower limit. What is the upper limit? 9, lower limit is 1. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Root 9 minus root 1 which is 3 minus 1, 2. So here once the limits we put the t, you have to change the limits also. Please note on this. Next. Zero to 2, 4 minus x square. Now we have to know this formula. Integration of a square minus x square is what, sir? X by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. This formula we are applying. So this becomes 0 to 2 root of 2 square minus x square dx. X is what, sir? X only. X by 2 root of 4 minus x square plus a square means 2 square by 2 sin inverse x by 2. Put the limits are 0 to 2. So we have to apply the formula. So upper limit, don't say 0, we put upper limit. What is the upper limit? 2 by 2 root of 4 minus 4 plus 4 by 2 sin inverse 2 by 2. Okay, minus lower limit 0 into root of 4 minus 0 plus 4 by 2 sin inverse 0 by 2. So this is 4 minus 4 is 0, this will become 0, this will be 2 and sin inverse 1 will come. Minus this is 0, this is also 0. So what will happen? 2 into sin inverse means pi by 2. For what angle of sine you get 1? 90, that is pi by 2. That will get cancelled, pi. Right, so here we are applying standard formula, then put the limits. Okay, next integration of 2 to 3, 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Again, t is equal to 1 plus x square, dt is equal to 2x dx. Okay, limits. X is equal to 2, t is equal to 1 plus 2 square, which is 5. X is equal to 3 is equal to 10. Change the limits. 2 is becoming 5, 3 is becoming 10. 1 by 1 plus x square is t dt. 1 by t is log t. Limits are 5 to 10. So this becomes log 10 minus log 5. Log a minus b is log of a by b. What is the answer? Log 2. So upper limit same, change the limits. Okay, please note on this. One by root of 3 minus 2x 0 to 1. So t is equal to 3 minus 2x, dt is equal to 0 minus 2 dx. So divide sir is equal to dx. Now limits, x is equal to 0, 3 minus 2 into 0, 3. X is equal to 1, 3 into 2 minus 1 is 1. Now change the limits, 0 is becoming 3, 1 is becoming 1, 1 by root t dt. But here minus 1 by 2 is outside. This is very important. So this becomes minus 1 by 2 into 2 of root t. Upper limit is, lower limit is 1. So this will get cancelled, minus 1, root 1 minus root 3. Upper limit minus lower limit. So this becomes, if you open the bracket, root 3 minus 1. Same problem sir. We have changed the limits, find out chesam sir. Next 0 to 1, x into e power minus x square. So let t is equal to minus x square. What is dt? Minus 2x dx. We require x dx sir. X dx is dt by minus 2. Therefore, and put x is equal to 1, t is equal to 1, minus 1. X is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. So limits will be 0, minus 1. Upper limit is becoming minus 1 sir, because minus x square is there. And here x dx is replaced by dt by 2. So minus 1 by 2 e power t dt, which is nothing but 1 by minus 2. Integration of e power t is e power t only. E power t 0 to minus 1. So this becomes 1 by minus 2. Upper limit is e power minus 1, e power 0. This is very important. Don't put 0 sir, because t is equal to 0. Anything raised to 0, 1. So this becomes minus 1 by 2 e power minus 1 minus 1. So this simply leave the answer. Okay, one more problem. 0 to 3, 1 by x by dx. Again, t is equal to x square plus 6x, dt is equal to 2x dx, x dx is equal to dt by 2. Now x is equal to 0, t is equal to 16, x is equal to 3, t is equal to 9 plus 16, 25. I am writing directly now. Right? Cut x is equal to 0, so 0 plus 16, 9 plus 16. So these limits will become 0 is becoming 16, 3 is becoming 25, and 1 by root t dt with 1 by 2. Okay, observe here, root t will come again 1 by 2, 2 root t, upper limit is 16 to 9. So 2 will get cancelled, root 9 minus root 16, sorry 16 to 25. So this becomes root 25 minus root 16. So 5 minus 4, 1. Observe here, we are putting the limits and substituting the value. Copy this. Sin cube x, cos x. Pi by 2 to pi by 4. Okay. T is equal to sin x, dt is equal to cos x dx, which is there. Now t is equal to, upper limit is pi by 4. What is the t? T is equal to sin x, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. T is equal to pi by 2. T is equal to sin theta, sin x, sin 90 is 1. So the limits will become 1 to pi by 2 is become 1 by root 2. Here sin cube is t cube dt, right? So what I have done, simply replace this. So t cube is what, sir? T power 4 by 4, 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 power 4 by 4. So this becomes root 2 into root 2, 2 into 2, 4 by 4. Because root 2 you have to multiply 4 times. So this becomes 2 into 2 will come. So 1 by 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 16 minus 1 by 4. So 4 minus 16 by 16. LCM if you take 4 minus 1 by 16 is LCM. So 1 minus 4 by 16, which is minus 3 by 16. So what we have done? We have put the theta and we have changed the angles. Okay. Next step. Right. Observe this problem. 0 to a. So here a minus b whole square formula. So which is nothing but a plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. What I have done? A square means a, b square means b, that is x minus 2ab. So this becomes a plus x minus 2 root x into root a with the integration symbol. 0 to a dx. So I will separate them. 0 to a my plus 0 to a right, minus 2 root a outside root x 0 to a. So this becomes a into 1 dx is x 0 to a plus x integration x square by 2 0 to a minus 2 root a. Here x means what, sir? X power 1 by 2. So this becomes x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 0 to a. So this becomes a into a minus 0 plus a square by 2 minus 0 minus 2 root a. This will become 2 by 3. 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. I am writing outside. Upper limit is what, sir? A power 3 by 2 minus 0. Now last simplification I am writing here. A square plus a square by 2. This will be 4 by 3 root a into a power 3 by 2. Now here root a means what, sir? A power 1 by 2. Here a power 3 by 2 is there. A square plus a square by 2 minus 4 by 3 into here root a means a power 1 by 2 into a power 3 by 2, which will be a square, because 1 plus 3 4 by 2 is 6. So take out a square common, 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 by 3. So a square LCM is 6 plus 3 minus 8, that is a square by 6. So simplification look at here. Okay, please note on this. Okay dear, there are two problems, three problems are there, same nature here. X square by x plus 1. Now what I am doing here, observe here. What I have done? X square minus 1 plus 1. Add 1, add subtract 1 plus 1. So this becomes, separate them. Okay, so what I have done? Subtracted 1, add here. So this can be written 0 to 4. X square minus 1 is x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 by x plus 1 dx plus 0 to 4 dx. So what will happen? X plus 1 will get cancelled. Now 0 to 4 x dx minus 0 to 4 1 dx plus 0 to 4 1 by x plus 1 dx. Right? So I have separated them. This will become x square by 2 0 to 4 minus x 0 to 4 log of 0 to 4. Right? So upper limit is 4, 4 square is 16 by 2 minus 0 minus 4 minus 0 plus log of 4 plus 1 minus log of 0 plus 1. Look at here. So 8 minus 4 log 5. That is 4 plus log 5. So what I have done? Add and subtract. This is very, very important. Okay. We will continue in the next videos.